Hey guys, my name is Maria and welcome to my channel. If you have been desperately searching for a way to earn money, one that actually works, so you can solve all your financial problems quickly, what I am about to show you will change your life. So keep watching to learn how a simple and effective Forex method can help you start making money every day. And the best thing is that it's completely free. But before I start, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, let's begin. I am guessing if you are watching this video, you want a powerful system you can start using to earn money immediately for zero cost. Well, let me tell you, you are in the right place. My mentor Adrian Jones wants to give you a simple money-making method he uses every day to earn $1,000 or more per day. It won't cost you a penny to start making cash with it today, even if you have never traded a day in your life. The master trader who taught thousands of regular people how to become wealthy wants to give you a simple yet powerful system you can start using to earn $1,000 or more immediately for zero cost. He's going to be giving a free webinar on Monday, June 17, 2019, where he will share his Forex trading secret that could have you making low-risk, high-probability trades in under 2 hours. And it's absolutely free. But it will not be in YouTube, so you need to register right now. For those of you who doesn't know who is Adrian Jones, Adrian Jones is a legendary Forex trader that doesn't just understand the trading strategies the big banks use, he helped to create them. Adrian has traded Forex at some of the world's most prestigious banking institutions and has over 30 years of global Forex trading experience. He's one of Australia's foremost experts on currency trading and is ready to teach you the skills, tools, and discipline of a successful veteran trader. And in this webinar, Adrian wants to introduce his new system, the Forex Cash Cloud. But what exactly is Forex Cash Cloud system? It gets its name from the fact that profits in any market tend to accumulate at certain points, which Adrian calls cash cloud areas. And this is what he will be teaching at no cost. This system is perfect for new traders just getting started with Forex, and it's a powerful tool in the hands of experienced ones as well. It can be traded on all time frames and currency pairs and works especially well on an intraday basis. This powerful system spots high probability setups hiding in the market on the right side of the trend with pinpoint accuracy and tells you exactly how to extract profits from them, big profits. So what are you going to get in this webinar? First, a set of custom indicators that will help you spot more cash than you have ever seen in your life. A fully illustrated report that tells you step-by-step precisely what to do when you see potentially profitable trades appear on a simple chart, so you will know at a glance how to earn cash right away. And he will walk you through how to trade this powerful system for maximum profit. Believe me when I am telling you that this is not a toy. It's a pro-level system created by a full-time professional trader. Adrian normally charges $1,000 per hour just for a Skype call, so this unusual situation where you can get one of his personal systems may never happen again. And he's taught thousands of people just like you and I how to trade successfully. He spends months rigorously testing it to ensure it who help anyone, regardless of skill level or experience, earn cash, a lot of cash. So if you want to register for this webinar, just enter the first link in the description. Really, you should do it right now. You have nothing to lose. It's completely free and it can help you start earning money from your trading. Just imagine for a second being able to pay off all your bills with the stroke of a pen. Imagine having enough cash to walk into any store anytime and buy whatever you like without ever having to look at a price tag. Imagine being able to walk into your boss office with a smile on your face and hand him your letter of resignation with confidence, knowing you never need to join the 9-to-5 rat race again. All that and more is entirely possible using this powerful system. There is zero cost, no strings, no catch whatsoever. Just enter the first link in the description. But remember, this webinar will not be on YouTube, so you need to register right now. Everything you need to start earning cash is right there. There is zero cost, no obligation. No one will ask you for anything whatsoever, so do it now. Hope you can take action right now because I don't know how much time this system will be available for free. So don't waste more time and enter the first link in the description. Remember, the webinar is this Monday, June 17, 2019 at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope to see you there. I will be there, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye bye.